Welcome to a regular broadcast of the NOVA Airmada's channel into the history of 1/400 scale model aircraft. Today we cover the lifetime career of the America West 757-2S7 in this special coast-to-coast livery this aircraft had in the early 2000s. This aircraft is powered by two Rolls Royce RB211series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 43,500 horsepower or 193 kilonewtons. Each aircraft can carry up to 293 maximum passengers, but this can be as low as 200 in a two-class configuration. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 461 knots or 854 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 3,900 nautical miles or 7,200 kilometers with a standard payload. Originally, this 757-2S7 was first delivered to Republic Airlines on December 6 of 1985. At the time of its delivery, this aircraft was painted in Republic's final livery with cheatlines below the airliner's windows and titles on the lower fuselage and tail. The given registration was November 602RC. In 1986, Republic Airlines was merged into Northwest Airlines. This particular aircraft carried the same registration but was given a hybrid livery. Northwest titles replaced the Republic titles on the fuselage, and the tail acquired the Northwest red tail. After a short stay with Northwest Airlines, the aircraft was acquired in 1987 by America West Airlines. The aircraft was re-registered as November 02AW, its final registration. The aircraft initially carried that airline's 1980s era livery. This livery would change to the colorful Teamwork Special livery in 1995. The special livery that this particular aircraft would be known for would be applied in the summer of 2000. This livery is known as the Coast to Coast livery, and it would stay on the aircraft with minor alterations in the latter half of 2001 until America West's merger with U.S. Airways. The merger occurred in 2006, with the paint scheme being changed on February 17, 2007 to the standard 2000s era U.S. Airways livery. U.S. Airways merged with American Airways in 2013. However, this aircraft continued to fly in U.S. Airways colors for the rest of its career. The aircraft was retired in early 2016 and scrapped by the end of that year. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft, released in 2001. Gemini Jets, Flight Manager, Hogan Models, and Herpa all produced this aircraft with this livery in various scales. The Republic Airlines version of this aircraft was produced in 1/400 scale by NG Models in 2018. If you like what you see, hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've enjoyed watching it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you and good day.